to edit DNA by intervening in human stem cells before they are born, determining the gender and appearance of your unborn baby. Agriculture, industry, and people dependent on artificial intelligence. What is the common thread that connects them all?
It's alive! It's alive! Now I know what it feels like to be God!
We can easily predict the consequences of a bomb, but don't you think we are overlooking an equally dangerous threat? The Internet of Things, electric cars heavily integrated with computer technology, household appliances that are becoming smart, various technologies planned to be implanted in humans. Don't we see that all these technological developments that seem to be for our benefit can pose a great threat to us as soon as they can be hacked? As technology develops, our lives become easier. The more technology advances, the easier it is for us to be controlled. Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook and the owner of Instagram since the year 2012, testified in court that users' movements on Facebook were being reviewed as data, and relevant advertisements are shown to the users of Facebook.
Now, once an advertiser chooses how they want to target something, Facebook also does its own work to help rank and determine which ads are going to be interesting to which people. So we may use metadata or other behaviors of what you've shown that you're interested in a newsfeed or other places in order to make our systems more relevant to you.
Well, if only our movements on social media can be analyzed and inferences can be made about who we are, what we like and dislike. Think about the results of a piece of machinery we add to our body. If this piece of machinery can continuously analyze our brain and body, it can collect a lot of data about you. If it can read the love or hate activity in your brain when you look at a photo, it can understand what or who you love or dislike at any moment. If it goes beyond understanding and starts to influence your mind, it can determine your opinions, your tendencies, and what you like or dislike. Thus, any part that is added to our bodies, perhaps under the guise of health control or to enhance human capabilities, becomes a weapon of social control in dangerous hands. Advances in artificial intelligence and robotics may reduce the need for humans in jobs in everyday life. Those who predict that there will be less need for human beings in the future due to machines with artificial intelligence that have started to replace humans in agriculture, industry, service sector, and even in the fields of law and medicine after they have developed sufficiently. These measures include the use of birth control pills, the consumption of foods that negatively impact human reproduction, the outbreak of wars and diseases, the endorsement of desexing projects, among others. It is crucial to investigate the motives and supporters of such measures as they directly or indirectly affect the growth rate of the population. Achieving many of these objectives requires advancements in genetic science. Concurrently, interventions in genetics necessitate the utilization of robotics and nanotechnology. The fusion of these three technological domains has prompted interventions in DNA, beginning with food DNA, progressing to animal DNA, and most recently human DNA. By manipulating DNA, it becomes possible to halt the aging process, combat diseases, extend life expectancy. Indeed, within certain circles, those who aspire to achieve human immortality without altering the human body must confront a fundamental inquiry. Is the key to human immortality rooted in maintaining youthfulness, or does it lie in the realm of the soul, an entity transcending the limitations of the physical body?